Hey friends, if you wish to allow or block pop-ups in Google Chrome, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and open Google Chrome. Click on these three dots at the top right corner and then scroll down and select settings. Now search for pop-ups, okay? And then go to site controls and then you'll get pop-ups and redirects here, okay? And then if it is selected at this option, site can send pop-ups and use redirects, change it to don't allow sites to send pop-ups and redirects. You may or may not add exceptions here to the add button. Okay, for example, I can add geekchamp.com for pop-up exceptions. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.